Hi everyone, welcome to Red Unboxing. You have come to the right place and at the right time. Today we'll be unboxing something unique and you get to hear my thoughts on the particular item. So as stated in the title of this video, Virgil and Ikea collaboration about the Markerad Collection. Virgil worked with Ikea to design these great products targeted to the people that were moving into new homes or redesigning their homes. It's items that you would use on an everyday. Right. Although Ikea also designs really great products, very nice looking products, colors, designs, very user-friendly, lightweight. I think they've done great. They've done really good. So thumbs up to them. Just to say, this is not a paid advertisement from Ikea or Virgil or whatever. Just putting it out there. So pretty much, let's get on to it. Woohoo! So first off, we do have the Ikea receipt rug. We have the wet grass rug. We also do have the Mona Lisa backlit frame. We have a 6-seater timber table, timber daybed, cover for daybed, timber glass cabinet, timber chair, clock, tool kit, 2 types of carrier bags, cushion cover, quilt cover, and 2 pillowcases. So all in all, they were a total of 15 items. This is as of Ikea in Australia received. I do know, of course, some countries did receive some stuff much earlier, and also there were like some other extra items, but Australia got these 15 items. Let's take a closer look at some stuff that I got for myself. So let's get into it. First things first, we do have the pillowcase. Have a closer look at that. So as Virgil's iconic orange patch, as he has on the off-whites, the Nike shoes. So his signature patch is on the pillowcase. There's a small picture there that shows how it would look like. I would say it's a very nice feeling material. I mean, it's a couch cushion, so if you were to put your face on it, it wouldn't be scratchy. Next, we do have a quilt cover. That's it over there. Again with his signature orange patch. I can't open these because apparently they're meant for gifts. So yeah, I've been told not to open it. I believe these are all sold out already, but you can definitely call your local Ikea and find out with them whether if they do have it in stock, and they could save one for you. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Next one is a bit different. Next one is, yeah, it's a wow one. It is, bam! A tool set. The only thing different about this, it does not have the badge. Of course, it's just a full, like a reddish color tool set. It just says homework on the top. Let's crack this baby open, and just the general toolkit that Ikea sells, but because with Virgil it has the homework in exclamation. So we do have a hammer, we do have a spanner, we do have what do you call a tool set ratchet for the screws and the star screwdrivers, and we have a plier. So all real stuff.
nothing much, just a little hard plastic case. Next, we have some bags. Yes, you heard me right, some bags. So first come, first serve. We have this bag that reads sculpture on it. Ikea. So this bag is, I believe in the description it does read plastic and paper. So paper reinforced plastic. It looks pretty sturdy, pretty thick itself, pretty strong. I mean, yeah, pretty interesting. It does have the Virgil's branding printed on the bag itself. So that's pretty cool too, pretty interesting there. Give a closer look at that. Yeah. So that's just the one bag itself. And we have another bag. Oops, that's not the right one. This one. This one is a bit bigger. It's a bit bigger, it's a bit longer, it's a bit deeper. It's a bit deeper. Okay, sorry about that. Also with Virgil's signature branding there. And this one also reads sculpture too. I like this that I got it. Kabam! This is the clock. It says temporary on it. It's just a white clock. Pretty big clock though. Definitely for a wall, for the cabinet, for your desk, anywhere. This is still in a package. I cannot unbox this too. This is just this is also for a gift. Yeah. And my wife really wants to give out these as gifts. I told her, no, why don't we just keep one? She's like, no, these are for gifts. She got a few friends she want to give out to. So I'm like, alright. Cool then. Well, everybody, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And it would be great if you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave the links in the description.